every challenge I rise and grow. There's a fire in my soul that won't burn out. I'm moving forward, there's no room for doubt. I'm getting stronger every day. No matter what comes, I'll find my way. I'll face the storm, I'll fight the fight. I'm not backing down, I'll claim my life. Stronger every day, I'll rise above. With courage and hope, I'm guided by love. The road might be rough, the nights might be long, but inside my heart there's a victory song. I've learned from the past, now I'm moving ahead. With each new sunrise, a new dream